Okay, my name is Vivian, and I've been asked to express what I'm getting out of this retreat, and I think the first benefit to me has been to just exhale. I have a very busy life back in the city, and my reasons for wanting to come on the retreat were to get away from my everyday life and to just be in nature and enjoy time with like-minded people. I'm enjoying getting to know my members of my Unity family better and in different ways, and meeting some new people. I even, as someone who's never considered herself very artistic, I'm even learning that my life is my art, and the way I live my life is actually artistic.
My name is Vera.
Vera, can you tell us your experience here, please?
Yes, I'm here on the Unity Retreat up in West Cornwall, Connecticut, and I'm here to decompress from stress and to get into the mood of tranquility, peace, and calm. And that's what we've achieved. That's what I've been able to achieve while I'm here. To renew my spiritual practice of meditation, to be in community with other people, and to socialize with people of like mind.
My name is Alan Leverins, and I'm attending this wonderful Joy of Creativity retreat. And I find that this has provided me with so much in terms of making a significant change in my life, my career, and this could not have happened at a better time for me. I'm realizing through Justin's leadership and him facilitating this wonderful workshop, which I recommend to anyone for any reason, that there are actually specific ways that you can help yourself explore your creativity, your potential, and this is, I think, so necessary for living a joyful life, and for that I'm very, very grateful. So I recommend this retreat, this experience to anyone.
My name is Joanne, and what am I getting out of this retreat is the time to leave busy behind and enter the inner world of peace and calm, where for me, that is where God lives and answers unfold. I'm hearing and learning a lot in the silence and hearing the whispers of God. And I'm very grateful to be here and to share this with my fellow Unity people. And with Justin's guidance, I can go deeper and deeper. So thank you.